Welcome to Turbo Talk. Today we are diving into the breathtaking Pagani Utopia, a hypercar where raw mechanics, stunning design, and uncompromising craftsmanship come together in perfect harmony. 1. Exterior design. The Utopia looks like a piece of moving art. With flowing curves, exposed carbon fiber, and intricate detailing, it embodies Horacio Pagani's philosophy of simple complexity. The quad exhausts, active aero elements, and retro-modern headlights make it instantly iconic. 2. Interior. Inside, the Utopia is a handcrafted masterpiece. Every surface is covered in leather, billet aluminum, or carbon fiber. Analog dials, exposed gear linkage, and a sculptural center console make it feel like a mechanical watch you can drive. It's pure, focused, and intimate. 3. Performance. Under the hood is a 6.0 liters twin-turbo V12 developed by AMG, pushing out 852 horsepower and 1,100 newton-meters of torque. It's paired with a 7-speed manual or automated manual gearbox, a rarity in today's hypercar world. Acceleration is brutal, but always elegant. 4. Engineering tech. Pagani has kept things analog by design, a minimal screens, no hybrid systems, and lightweight engineering. The car uses a new carbon titanium monocoque chassis, active suspension, and cutting-edge aerodynamics to deliver extreme performance with total control. 5. Driving experience. The Utopia is made for drivers. It's loud, responsive, and incredibly tactile. The steering feedback, the feel of the gear changes, and the roar of that V12 create an emotional experience that few modern cars can match. It's not just fast, it's unforgettable. 6. Final thoughts. The Pagani Utopia isn't just a car, it's a celebration of mechanical purity in an era of digital dominance. For those lucky enough to drive it, it's not just about speed, it's about soul. Thank you for joining us.